what is up, everyone? It's me, Zach. Today we are going to be playing Minecraft. Of course, the most greatest game of all time. 100 billion times better than Fortnite. We know Minecraft and Roblox are the best games ever. Okay, so we are on Minecraft. Oh, also, stupid Alex skin. They don't even, I don't know what's wrong with that, but, just start already. Stupid as well. There we go. Also, you mind if I do something for a second? So yeah, here's something completely unknown. So yeah. So it's something really weird that has never happened before. Yeah, it's something to do with a moon. Yeah. If I can find, moon and stone. Yeah, we'll get on to episode 5 just in a minute. If I just do this. This distance. Yeah. I've just okay, I'll tell you the reason why I'm doing this. It's because when I was searching on YouTube a couple of days ago, I discovered that a fake report of Earth has captured a brand new moon. Now we don't know if this kind of like quasar satellite is real. Okay, so this. That's unknown moon, not ours. Yeah. So it's kind of like a quasar satellite. So it's kind of like Phobos and Deimos. So right, let's get to Jupiter. Oh yeah, Jupiter, the Grand. You have protected us. Okay, so here's Jupiter. Jupiter is not like the inner 4 planets. Why? Okay, so let's recap this first. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and saves the inner 4 planets from deadly asteroids and comets. 69 moons. Well, I actually did that pretty fast. Alright. Jupiter was the first ever planet in the solar system and was the reason why the inner 4 planets formed. Jupiter is the closest gas giant to the Sun and is the biggest. So yeah. How can Jupiter form? Jupiter does not have a solid surface, so it's not like the inner 4 planets. So I would say that tons of gas began to spiral into the center by gravity and then got into spherical form, and that's how we got our Jupiter. I think that's the reason. Yeah. Jupiter is home to the largest moon in the solar system, Ganymede. Let's see what it says. Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. Wow! Wow, it could have actually exploded. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to Jupiter's hellish moon, Io. This is a volcanic moon. You can see its volcanoes erupting with a telescope on Earth. Yeah. Io is like hell. I'm not lying. Just like hell. Volcanoes erupting all around. This is one of the most hellish moons. It's kind of like a Venus, second Venus. How about we go to one of the peaceful the moons? Yeah. Europa. Europa has ice on it. And has an ocean for all ice under its ice and for life. Yeah. But Europa isn't the only moon we found that might have alien life. That can go with Enceladus and Titan. Now we'll be recapping that on episode 6. Yeah, so yeah. So yeah. If we did not have Jupiter at all, so yeah, Jupiter isn't responsible for making us form in the first place, but it actually protects the inner 4 planets right now. As you can see, either on, I don't know, probably about March 17th, 2016, Jupiter got hit by a massive object. And those were the ones that we saw before. Kind of like, yeets itself right into Jupiter. And, yeah, Jupiter draws most of these deadly asteroids coming from the asteroid belt series. But that's going to be on season 2. Yeah, so yeah. Imagine if I'm a moon. Imagine if I'm a deadly asteroid going for Mars, and then Jupiter's migration swings back and takes me back. Probably kind of like draws the most deadly asteroids. Yeah. Uh-oh. I think we're going to that red place. Oh no! Oh! I think I just hit the Great Red Spot. Yes, the Great Red Spot is a giant swirling storm and might be the largest one in the solar system. It's like 3 times larger than Earth. And you can actually stack 5.5 Earths on Jupiter. You can stack as many of those. And also, you can fit almost 1,300 Earths inside of Jupiter. Is that... I don't know. I'm sorry if I do this, but I think Jupiter is about 11 times bigger than Earth. Yeah. Now, yeah. Since I live in the UK, I am. Yeah. So yeah. Since I live in the UK, I can know. The final planets that I see are Venus and Mercury. Those are the final planets for the rotation. And some of the chances that moon come out. Well, right now I have half moon. So if I want to see the other planets, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars, I would have to stay up for a brisk case for 10.5 hours or even less before I can track down Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. So yeah, I'm never going to be I'm probably going to wait until I'm 11 years old before I'm going to go find Jupiter and Saturn and Mars. Because you can only see them at 4 a.m. in the UK. Oh crap. Alright, let's see what we move. We can get out. Bam. Yeah, so the first 4 moons were Ganymede, Europa, Io, and Callisto. Those were one of the first 7 moons. Yeah. Rogue pillagers, I got this. Pill. Where'd he go? Ow! Well, so it actually makes a poop noise. What a joke. Okay, guys, I've got something kind of that you might not see ever in this series. I'm gonna be recapping also Saturn and Uranus, but not actually Neptune, because I have not built that one yet. I'll be building Neptune soon enough, and also yeah. So Jupiter was solar system's first planet, and it was possible 3.8 billion years ago. Jupiter was almost twice its mass, and it's no joke. It was actually bigger than itself. Well, probably 325 million years ago, the Great Red Spot finally forms, but sadly, 25 years from now, the Great Red Spot will finally fade away. Kind of sad, we won't be able to see the swirling storm. Okay, guys, now let's say we're going to cut off with Jupiter. Have a nice time, Jupiter. Bye. Now we're going to have to go on to Saturn, episode 6. Yeah. I shouldn't actually be doing this, but I just want to get this done really quick. So I don't have to spend like a few hours getting off my daily races when I'm going on to Angry Birds Go. Right, so here's Saturn. Saturn is famous for its large rings, and I don't know if it is bright like Venus, the brightest planet in the night sky. Saturn may be the second brightest planet in the night sky, 62 moons. Yeah, well, I found one of the most saddest things I've ever found on the internet. It was an ultimate sacrifice. Okay, let's head back to the first decade of the first. I don't know. It's probably about the first decade of about September 25th, 2017. This is gonna be super sad. Cassini virtually had to do an ultimate sacrifice to protect the grand moons of Saturn. An ultimate sacrifice was planned. Sam Cassini, I crash into Saturn. Oh my god! I just glitched into Saturn. I just glitched myself into Saturn. Oh my god, I need to get out, I need to get out. What did I use? Terracotta? Oh my gosh, I did not plan that. Didn't you see that, guys? I just glitched myself into Saturn. No way. Load. Yeet. Yeet. Just killed everyone. Yeet. Yeah, so, yeah. So, yeah. Cassini, on September 25th, 2017, Cassini became a part of the planet itself. And there was a recent animation I found of Cassini crashing into Saturn. And it finally dies. Can we all have an RIP? Also, can we also do something for an RIP Galileo when it went into Jupiter? Let's have an RIP for Galileo that died in 1995. And also for our hero of Saturn's moons, Cassini. R.I.P. Galileo and Cassini. You will rest in peace, Cassini and Galileo. You will never be missed. Alright, so let's say we go on to Titan. Titan's atmosphere. Titan, second largest moon in the solar system. And only moon with an atmosphere. Titan's atmosphere. Yeah. I could have actually did that with the other planets, but yeah. Also, Saturn does not have a solid surface like Jupiter. And Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Ooh, yeah. Kind of made of trillions of rocks, dust and everything. No, I didn't mean Dwayne Johnson. I meant like particle rocks. Yeah. So probably in a few million years, Saturn will be ringless. I don't want to miss those beautiful waves. Oh. But that's only going to be for like 350 million years or further or less. Yeah. Now, Titan may have a chance it can have alien life, but for its atmosphere, it's almost got all the elements. So, yeah, but it has not got any oxygen. So, yeah, it's almost made with all the elements. Yeah, so if we, you all stay tuned for